Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Sassy PNG, and this is Gauri. So before getting into today's video, I have received so many messages from my friends regarding the previous video which I have posted. That's that RV curry. So the question is how to boil RV. So let me be clear. Just clean all the RV in a plain water and boil it for about 2 whistles. That's enough. And once you peel off the skin, wash your hand and apply some coconut oil into your palm and rub it thoroughly. So this helps you out from itching of the skin. Today's video is all about Nykaa haul. So I have got some products from Nykaa from Friday sale. So I have bought it last week, and I was like thinking to post a video on it, but I couldn't get some time to edit and upload a video. I'm very new to this makeup things and all. Usually I don't prefer makeup, but I use little bit of lipstick. While going to office also I use just lipstick and LE liner also. So that's what I use. And as it's my baby's birthday, first birthday, I thought of buying some products only because I can't risk going for a parlor and getting ready and all. So I thought, okay fine, let me try it. And please ignore this background sounds. It's my baby.
Hold me close till I get up.
Let's get started, and I'm going to unbox it. Ta-da! So here is the scissor and where to cut. I'm so excited, and this is my first Nykaa shopping haul. Fine, just hold on, let me cut it and then I'll show you. I'm seriously so bad in opening this kind of boxes here. Seriously, as it is video, right, I'm taking care of it very nicely, but then usually I just pluck it up and then I think I'm done. Ooh, finally. So this is the bill. So can you see it? So they packed it very nicely and they wrapped it with all the cards. Fine, wait, let me show you.
Cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. Let go.
So the first thing which I have got is this Cetaphil. Can you see it? This is from Cetaphil and it's a moisturizing. I just wanted to try it because most of my friends, they recommended it. This is the first one. And so I bought one compact powder from Maybelline. So this one. And let me tell you the shade, and it's Natural Ivory. And next thing, oh, one more package. I need a scissor again. So this is from Lakme Primer Plus Matte Foundation. No sound. This is what's this? Eyebrow brush from Vega. So I'll keep it here. The next one A concealer from Maybelline and shade Sand, and this is like normal eyebrow pencil from Miss Claire, and they are saying it as waterproof eyebrow pencil, dark brown. And next thing, one more. Woohoo! So this is from can you see? Faces Canada, and the packaging is really good. And this one, it's only available on Nykaa. Try it. I'll show it later once I try it. I'll just have a makeup look, then I can show you what is inside. So I have ordered one kajal and mascara from Faces Canada. So this is the one. And then Lakme liquid lip color. So this is in the shade Nude Twist. Since long time I wanted to buy some makeup products, but I was thinking like if it is worthy to buy it, or if I can do it or not. But then I just thought, okay fine, let me try it. And then I have done some R&D, and based upon my skin tone, my color, and it's kind of yellowish and pink, so I just did some R&D, and then I have ordered all these products. So I'll give all the details in the description box, so you can go and check it up, and the prices as well, for what price I have got these products. Okay, and I hope you like this video and you have enjoyed it. It's all about today's video, and that's Nykaa haul. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, give it a big thumbs up, and like, share and subscribe to our channel SassyPNG. And if you want to follow us on Instagram, just check it up, and we'll be giving the link below in the description box. Okay, see you guys. Bye.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie.